Introducing the Nuby Easy Squeezy Silicone Self-Feeding Baby Food Dispenser, the perfect tool for transitioning your little one to semi-solid foods and promoting self-feeding. This innovative product features a soft silicone food dispenser with a bulb-shaped feeding pouch at the end, allowing for easy release of pureed and semi-solid foods. One of the standout features of this dispenser is its squeezable silicone bottle and pressure-sensitive valves in the feeding pouch. Not only are these components ideal for feeding your baby, but they are also safe for them to use on their own. The valves on the pouch prevent drips and spills, while still being gentle on your baby's gums and emerging teeth. Filling the dispenser with the desired amount of food is a breeze. Simply twist and squeeze the connector ring to fill the silicone base. To make things even easier, graduation markings in ounces and milliliters are labeled on the bottle, ensuring accurate measurements. Safety is a top priority with the Nuby Easy Squeezy. The bottle and feeding pouch are both made from soft silicone, which is BPA-free. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you're providing your little one with a safe and reliable product. The Nuby Easy Squeezy is recommended for babies aged 3 months and older. With its convenient design and user-friendly features, it's no wonder this product has received rave reviews from satisfied customers. With over 4,800 ratings and an average of 4.2 stars, it's clear that parents love the functionality and quality of this baby food dispenser. In terms of popularity, the Nuby Easy Squeezy ranks number 4,278 in the baby category on Amazon and is also a bestseller in toddler utensils and baby bottles. This further attests to its effectiveness and widespread appeal among parents. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient way to introduce your baby to solid foods and encourage self-feeding, look no further than the Nuby Easy Squeezy Silicone Self-Feeding Baby Food Dispenser. With its soft silicone design, pressure-sensitive valves, and precise measurements, mealtime has never been easier or more enjoyable.